time. That your choice is a wound that won't heal.
Laidang leng ponge gode, Lenthang song kasang ampoi.
Kathum na kataw na hinum site ni sampiti teo. Kanaw zaw lawin. Nidan kajing ang pamte poi. Ama zaw lawin. Kamong so poi. Kangai bale. Kading lung site kanaw ko ning ka sa jing lung site.
She's so rude, man. What the heck? Yes, hello everyone. Notice people, peace from Africa, guys. Today we are back to another new reaction video by the title Laidang leng ponge. We have actors here, Minou and Chingboi. Official music video. The vocal and the lyrics by Ksiem, guys. The couple artists, guys. So I think today we are checking. I don't know if I'm right. I can guess this is Thadou Kuki song, guys. So Nadam Namo, Nadam Move. So peace to you all, Kuki people. Hope the situation is good now. Yeah, I usually used to react to Kuki songs, and I do know a lot about what is happening going on the Kukiland. And yeah, I do have Kuki friends also. Yeah, hope everyone is good and take care, guys. So let's check this music out, guys. I see they are having English translation, so for sure I'm gonna love it, guys. So don't forget subscribe, because it's been a while now. I will be continuing the reaction video and suggest what I should check next. Love you all. Peace out. Peace from Africa. Let's go. Yeah, Thadou Kuki official music. Julia present. That's Thadou Kuki. Laidang leng ponge. Papo present. Ksiem Minou and Chingboi. Videographer and editing. Dinku or Dinkau. Sorry for mispronunciation. Okay, start. How do you call this game, guys? Tell me. This type of game we also do have in Africa, guys. Start. Nature of love for you still persists within me. Okay. Through another's love I become that haunts me relentless.
Laidang leng ponge gode,
won't seek another love, only you.
Lenthang song kasang ampoi, Building kagel vangil lungin, Apal te zipo. Kalung si vansi in.
As my love.
Tim tu ilelai niku,
don't let her go, brother. You have to fight for her. She's gonna find a way, brother. Don't give up. She's gonna find a way.
Laidang leng
Seek,
ponge
won't seek another love.
Lenthang song kasang ampui Milding
But you
kagel
are the memory that
vangil
refuse to fade.
lungin Apal te
This is so
sipo
painful.
Kalusit Vansiin
Tôi
Maybe
cái
let's
lúc
cherish our
cái ngày
love
lại
in
hiện khôi
the
mình bằng
future too,
nhưng mà
like
làm mà
we
rằng
do now, and let's be
anh
loyal
ấy cái ngày lúc này lẽ
to
cái
each
lúc sẽ
other.
là khel đam cái ta tên bằng gì
Let's
thế
be
nào
loyal.
Hingeo ke zong ka
Yes, I
kitime
have given
nangakon
you all and
ngay lu na lungsit na sang ben ka chanzin
away.
ken zong dam songa din lungsit na ka hinpi
Pat
Time
le
passes
ni
all,
Ki
days
hei lo
fly.
yo Sung chol ta ka ngay sinu Ka hei
Feel this boy.
Asilong hei na din Hung ta pending hi song len Kalung
My
si
heart will
nang
still
bang
beat for you, God. It's another lifetime.
Ana ena silong gel
That your choice is a wound that won't heal.
Laidang leng ponge Lenthang song kasang
Yeah.
ampui
cái thùng này cái tàu này nó sẽ tên này sang bị tiêu cái nào giàu lâu in đi đến khát riêng làm phẩm thể bồi ama giàu lâu in cái mông sâu bồi cái ngại van cái đinh lúc sẽ tên cái nào cũng những cái sẽ riêng lúc sẽ tên
hoa chi te
She's so rude, man. What the heck? She's so rude. That's not good. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing, guys. That was really amazing. Painful and lovely at the same time. You know, I felt like I was just watching a short movie, short Thadou Kuki movie song, guys. This is really something happening nowadays, something common happening with the people. But I love the way those actors were acting, like showing the reality, guys. Like, you know, there is some breakup or there are some voids which, if it happened, the separation that never heal us, guys. So it's good that seeing the actor going back to the actress and expressing back the feeling that without her he cannot live. But the girl, she's so rude. Why are those ladies so rude, guys? Like, I love the way the director did really amazing on presenting these guys. So it's happening and amazing, guys. Thanks for providing the English subtitle. I was able to read. I even felt the music, guys. I felt it, and I'm pretty sure some of you out who are watching, they also might experience something like that. So this is common love from Africa, guys. Love you all.